Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upscale to 4K in Davinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open a clip or a picture in Davinci Resolve. Then you simply need to click on media pool, and here you need to select on this icon, and here you can see your timeline. You simply need to click the right mouse cursor. Here you can see timeline, click on timeline settings. So once you are here, you simply need to uncheck this option, use project settings, and here you can see timeline resolution, and you need to select ultra HD, and here you can see option, and here you need to click on scale entire image to fit, and then you need to click on OK, and after that your image or video will be converted into the 4K resolution. So this is the easy process how you can upscale to 4K in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.